location. Let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to compose.
Hey my pretty girlies, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video, and a big shout out to iSeeHair for sponsoring today's video. Y'all already know how I feel about them. They is the vibes. They do provide top tier wigs, so I'm here for it. Let's get into it. So this is what the packaging looks like. Y'all know I'm a sucker for pink and magenta, so they already on my type of time. Now this 26-inch 6x9 lace frontal wig looks like this. Now this wig, let me tell you something, you don't even have to have skills to install this wig. This wig comes with a pre-plucked hairline. The knots have already been bleached. The knots are super small. The lace is HD, so it's already giving you can install your wigs at home without any skills. And this is what the wig looks like out of the package. I have not washed the hair yet, but I wanted you girls to see exactly what you would get if you decided to order this wig online. And also, you already know everything will be below in the description bar in case I do not mention it in this video. So let's go. All right, y'all, so I wanted to give y'all a better demonstration of this lace. So as you can see here, you get 9 inches of lace from ear to ear, and then you get 6 inches of parting space. Now, even though this wig is a 9x6, you definitely would be able to style this wig in multiple ways and still get a flawless, natural install, especially because the knots on this wig is so small. As you can see here on the pictures, you can do a curved part, you can do braids, you can do a middle part, you can do a half up, half down. Like, the amount of styles that you can get with this beautiful wig is endless. And I love me a diverse wig, especially in today's world where, you know, we are saving every dollar, but we still want to look good at the same time. This wig will allow you to get so many different styles in this one look. Now let's go ahead and move on to this new type of wig structure. Okay, girl, now I love me an intervention on some wigs, child. So this is the new 3D M cap design. Now this design was created to make sure, you know, us girls have a lace that lays flat and is snug around the hairlines. I know I have experienced installing a wig and the hairline just does not lay flat on my head. I have to use spray. I have to pull out all different types of techniques to get the lace to actually lay onto my skin. So with this particular wig, you don't have to worry about that. You literally can put this wig on without any spray or glue because of the structure of this wig. Now, all that other stuff is important, but here is what I really want to get into. Look at the unbleached knots versus the bleached knots. Look at how big the original knots is compared to now. This is what we need to give us that flawless salon look at home without the effort and without the price tag, baby. So let's go ahead and install this wig because I'm anxious to see what it do. All right, y'all. So my look today is a side curve part or whatever. And honestly, that is not my skill. So I had to pull up on my girl, Shatara, which is Touched by Tara on social media. Y'all make sure y'all follow her. But I needed to go to her so that she could do that curve part on me with this wig, especially with it being 26 inches. I just wanted to do a curve part. I didn't want to do a bust down. So she is the girl to get the job done. So basically what she is doing here is putting on a stocking cap, and she's using the Got2b glue spray to make sure the stocking cap does not move. And then of course she's going in with some foundation to tint the stocking cap to make sure the light stocking cap doesn't show through the lace, because again, it is a HD lace. So basically now what she's doing is putting on the wig like so. Again, keep in mind I did not have to do any plucking or bleaching to this wig whatsoever. I also did not have to cut the lace on this wig. So I definitely could have gotten this install done by myself at home like I've done for all my other videos. But again, like I said, I wanted to have a curved part for this install. And y'all, when I tell y'all, she did her thing on this install. I'm gonna have to book a class with her and go back for a private session, because Ain't no way my curve part and baby hairs would have turned out like how she about to do. So right now what she's doing is pushing the hairs back to get more of a look, to see like what the hairline is looking like, what the baby hairs is looking like. Now I told her that the hairline has already been plucked, so she ain't got to do that. So she was really shocked that she didn't have to do nothing to this wig but pull out a little bit of hairs where I wanted, my baby hairs out or whatever. So yeah, girl, if you get this wig, definitely be prepared to not do anything but put this girl on, style her, and be out the door. This is definitely one of those put on and go type of wigs. And because of the wig design, girl, you don't even have to worry about, the wig lifting or it moving or it just not being flat on your head. That's one thing we did not have to worry about with this install. So yeah, girl, I'm gonna let y'all continue to watch what she's doing, and I'll be back to talk more about this style. Now here I was actually going to do a half up, half down, but then I changed my mind. I was like, nah, we're going to stick to the plan and do the side curve part, because yeah, that's what I want.
To compose. Send me your location and ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fall with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you initially. I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged. I understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. Oh, so won't you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else, but I don't have to fall in love off a step sweet, so
Hold on, let me slow this clip down because my curve part could never look like this. Y'all, when I tell y'all she ate this, she really did. Like, y'all, there is no plucking, no bleaching to this part whatsoever. Do y'all see how this look like it is coming out of my scalp? Girl, this look like leave out. Do you hear me? Leave out. Let me tell you something. iSeeHair, I see you. So, girl, let's finish up this install because I'm ready for y'all to see how, everything turned out. So now she's about to go in with this extremely hot comb. Like, y'all, I am so not used to this type of heat at all. But she told me it is necessary to get the look that I want, especially because the texture of this hair is water wave. So she wants to make sure that the hair is smooth on top. Now, because of the design on this wig, we didn't have to worry about the wig not being flat. As y'all can see right here, without her applying any product, any heat, the wig was already laying flat. But her being extra and her not and her doing what she want to do, she's going to apply that hot comb and she's going to apply that spray. But I'm not even gonna argue with her because, baby, the way she laid my hair, girl, let me shut my mouth, okay? So now she's about to go in and do the side baby hairs or the side swoop, which again, your girl could never. For some reason, I just can't get it. So like I said, I'm gonna have to go in for a private class because she ate this look up completely.
let's keep personal. I got a lot of cool spots that we can go. Tell me what's the move and I got you. I'm only acting like this cause I like you. Just give me the vibe to slide in. Oh, I might make you mine by the night. Then shit, the location. Let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location. Let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else, but come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. Come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. Nothing else but
And see what I mean? I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Look at this. This is what I needed. This is what I needed my hair to look like when it comes to this water wave texture. And right here, what she's doing is spraying the hair with water and mousse just to get the waves to be more defined and to also give me like that wet look once the hair dries. Y'all, look at this install. I love this install. If you follow me on social media, this wig will definitely be on several pictures as it already is right now. I got a couple videos, a couple reels with this wig install because I'm just here for it. I love the way this wig turned out and I love this texture. And baby, the simple fact that I'm rocking 26 inches and I ain't chop her up. Oh, y'all know it's real, okay? Because y'all know I would chop the hell out of a long wig in a heartbeat, but not this one. I needed this one to catch all this smoke, okay?
Let's keep personal. I got a lot of cool spots that we can go. Tell me what's the move and I got you. I'm only acting like this cause I like you. Just give me the vibe to slide in. Oh, I might make you mine by the night. Then shit, even location. Let's focus on communicating. Cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me even location. Let's find the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but nothing else.
Okay, girl, now it's time to hit the streets, baby, because the streets is calling and I'm outside. Yes. So look at all this hair, y'all. This is a lot of hair, but it is so soft and so pretty and so manageable. Let me say that. Very, very manageable. For this to be a lot of hair, I had no issues with tangling, no issues with detangling. Now, keep in mind, this is a wavy texture. So some parts of the hair may be intertwined because of the texture. So what I'm going to do right here in this clip, now that I got my face together, I got my clothes on, I'm ready to hit the streets. I'm about to define the waves a little bit more section by section. And one thing I do feel like with this wig, this hair texture works better with the hair being slightly damped with water and then going in with mousse either before or after. I noticed that when Shatara used a spray bottle with the mixture of the water and mousse, it really wasn't defining my waves that much. Like it was defining it, but not like how it would be compared to going in with the mousse solo and then lightly spraying the hair with water. Like just right here. Like y'all can already see the waves is starting to pop in the hair. So that's exactly what I'm talking about. So if you get this wig, definitely start off with the product. Like look at that. Girl, baby, let me okay, get back into the review. Okay, so like I said, if you go in with the mousse first, it's going to define the waves, the curls a lot better compared to adding a mixture. You definitely would need to add water to the hair, but I would do that last. I would do that once the hair has been defined or if you can't really brush through the hair like that because it's just going to give you a different look in my opinion. But nevertheless though, the wig definitely is serving and it's doing everything I needed to do. Oh, and of course, y'all know to use a paddle brush to detangle the hair and get the waves to be even more defined, and then scrunch your hair at the ends to make sure, the ends looked, defined and in tune with the rest of the waves on the hair. So, yeah, girl. All right, y'all. So this is the final look. As you can see, the waves is popping. The hair is laid. It's flat. It looks like it's growing out my scalp. Girl, I love this hair. Best believe you will be seeing this hair a lot more because it is like, it's perfect. I love it. Look at that. Now, it is a little bit too much hair for me in the front, so I am going to flip that thing to the back. And I like this look. This is cute. And the hair is about 70% dry right now. Some parts is still kind of wet, so I'm making sure I don't run my fingers too much through this hair because it will get bigger on you. But look at the waves on this. Seasick, bitch. And this is what the back looks like. Real cute, real thick, real flowy. Love it. This is what the hairline is giving. Y'all, let me tell you something. Make sure you check out that link in the description bar. Make sure you use the coupon code to save yourself some money and get yourself this wig. You will not be disappointed. Bye, girl.